Hello everyone, it's Avni-Jack of all trades. Today I'm going to show how to make scratch pad on MS Paint. Right, you heard it right. Today I'm going to show how you can make scratch pad at MS Paint. So let's start. So first go to the brush tool. Take the brush only, then take red, increase the size. You have to make a aesthetic background. Like scratch pad, we want colorful background, so we have to make same. It will take time, but don't worry, have patience. It's quite fun to make these things. Randomly, you can do anything. This purple color is very nice. And pink. So by this process, many colors would be hide, like red, orange. We can see it barely. So we can recoat it. Yeah, it's alright. If you're lazy, then take a image from Google and just stick it there. Alright, so it's another important task now. Go to this layer option. And you will see this plus button, click this. So you will get another layer. In this layer, take this fill one and fill it with black. Alright, your scratch pad is ready. So take the eraser tool. You can choose any size. Now you can see. Let's make a heart. And it's really work. And if you want the black page again, then go to fill option. Alright, so we got a brand new scratch pad. Let's write my name here. Right. Remember, it's the eraser tool. Wow, it's pretty light. Pretty white. Please like, please. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Jack of all trades. Till now, bye bye.